You need to stay here? Do you need to stay here?
I wait for you.
You wait for me.
Then you go.
That I go out.
Then you go.
What?
This wall. There's another room for you. Okay?
Yeah, you see that I'm moving now?
You can sit in outside. I'm not there.
Why do you insist?
I put the other security. Okay? Please go out. And when you not go out, we have the police.
Yeah, I told you that I need a minute.
What?
What's going on? What's going on right now?
You must go.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, right?
You have the license there? You have the license?
Yeah, right now.
No?
Obviously.
You have to fly.
No, my flight is not now, obviously.
What was the flight?
Hmm?
For which flight?
9:15.
What?
It's not now, obviously.
Where's the what for the flight? You have
9:15.
there are two? What's the destination?
New York.
New York. Then you can go to the check-in counter number zero.
Which one?
Zero. Check-in.
Okay. Do you have anyone?
It's outside. Outside.
Zero is the other way?
Yeah. One level down and then on the other side.
Okay. I don't know if it's been ID'd properly, but I was asked out and he left the door open, meaning that he was just here to attack, to try to boss me around and pressure up, but doesn't have the right to do more than this. Also, I hear people keep saying, "Yo, has problem." Like they are telling, they have the right to be here. And then it's like, if you ignore my kingship, right, then why should we care about the astronauts in the first place, you know? It's like if my kingship rights and privileges aren't to be respected by you, then why the astronaut would mean anything to you anyway? So now I'm not in an isolated space anymore, so that they would be able to attack me. Actually, this is the point. They want to attack me and they want to keep me in proximity. This is why. Because otherwise it doesn't work.